Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we have something truly special to share with you.
The Hide and Drink Eyeglasses case with wrist strap, a stylish and functional accessory that's sure to catch your eye.
So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the craftsmanship.
This eyeglasses case is handmade from soft and attractive full-grain leather, ensuring both durability and a touch of elegance. Each piece is meticulously crafted by expert artisans in Pastores, Guatemala, a town renowned for its leather craftsmanship.
What sets this eyeglasses case apart is its attention to detail.
From the fine stitching to the sturdy wrist strap, every aspect of this case is designed with both style and functionality in mind.
Plus, with its beautiful bourbon brown color, it's sure to complement any outfit or accessory. Now, let's talk about functionality.
This eyeglasses case is not just a stylish accessory, it's also a reliable protector for your eyewear. The thick full-grain leather provides excellent cushioning and protection against scratches, bumps, and other everyday wear and tear. And with its secure magnetic closure, you can rest assured that your glasses will stay safe and sound inside. But that's not all. This case is also designed for convenience on the go. The built-in wrist strap allows you to carry your glasses with ease, whether you're running errands or traveling the world.
Plus, its compact size fits perfectly in your bag, purse, or backpack, making it a must-have accessory for anyone on the move. And here's the icing on the cake. Each Hide and Drink eyeglasses case comes with a remarkable 101-year warranty. That's right. If anything happens to your case within your lifetime, Hide and Drink will send you a replacement free of charge. It's a testament to their confidence in the quality and durability of their products. But wait, there's more. By purchasing a Hide and Drink product, you're not just getting a high-quality accessory. You're also supporting a community-driven brand dedicated to empowering local artisans in Guatemala. With fair wages and a commitment to social responsibility, Hide and Drink is making a positive impact both locally and globally. So, there you have it. The Hide and Drink eyeglasses case with wrist strap, a stylish, functional, and socially responsible accessory that's sure to elevate your eyewear game. Whether you're protecting your glasses on the go or making a statement with your style, this case has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish.